Hey cousin, the file was too large to email you, so I'm just gonna show you how to go to the website and get it yourself. And so start from scratch. We're gonna go here. We're gonna put in Google. We're gonna go to Google. We're gonna type in the LaserJet model number and everything, which is right here. Click on it. We're gonna find LaserJet download HP support. Click on that link. It's going to take you to the website. It's going to allow you to, it's going to show you the software. It's going to show you the download button. You're going to click the download button. Once you click that, it's going to start this file right here, which you're going to click on and hit open. And once the software is finished, it's going to do one or two things. It's going to automatically install, or it's going to prompt you to run the software. Either case, it's going to let you know what you need to do from there. So that's the reason I had to do the video, because the file was too big for me to email you, cousin. So take these simple steps and download the software, and talk to you later.